Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today we're making sausage egg muffins. The other day we made the muffins to go in the freezer. And so today we're finishing out with the muffins, and we're gonna add sausage, egg, and cheese, just like you would if you went to McDonald's. But we don't want to go to McDonald's, we want to make it at home, and so we have. So let's get started. Okay friends, here's our muffin. I don't know, it's a big bite, and I have hot sauce on it because I like hot sauce on my muffins. Okay. At this point, it's all about the muffin, and I will say that's a good muffin. is a really good sausage egg muffin. Well, folks, thank you for stopping by. If you could, ring that bell, hit the like button, and subscribe. It really helps out our channel. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.